friends, welcome to Shraddha Tutorials. Today I am going to solve last problem, that is the fifth problem from first exercise of real numbers of class 10. Actually this question is similar to previous question, that is the fourth question. Here in this question what they are asking is, we have to show that by using Euclid's division lemma, cube of any positive integer will be in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. In previous problem, any positive integer means the square of any positive integer, we have shown it in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1, but here cube of the positive integer. If a is equal to 4, a is equal to 4, then a cube can be written as 4 cube. 4 cube means 64, isn't it? This 64, 63 plus, I can write this as 63 plus 1, that is 9 into 7 plus 1, 9m plus 1. See, 9 into 7, 9 sevens are 63 plus 1. Okay, now, so I have shown it in the form of 9m plus 1 where m is equal to 7. Okay, now what if a is equal to 5? If a is equal to 5, a cube is equal to 5 cube. 5 cube means 125. See, this 125 can be written as 117 plus 117 plus 8. So 117 means 9 into 13 plus 8. So 9m plus 8. See, 9m where m is equal to 13. M is equal to 13. For some value of a, we got a cube as 9m plus 1. For some value of a, we got a cube as 9m plus 8. And if I take something like a is equal to 3, then a cube is equal to 3 cube, that is 27, that is 9 into 3. I can write this as 9m where m is equal to 9. Is it not? So for some value of a cube can be shown as 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8, 9m. So that is what they have given in question. So actually we took here some values directly for an example. So what if I take a generic, isn't it? So a I took directly 4, but a in generic form we are going to write it in the form of bq plus 1, isn't it? So bq plus r means, so this can be written as 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 into 1 plus 1, see, bq plus 1. B is 3, Q is 1 and R is 1. Okay, now. So even this also I can write it as 3 into 1 plus 2, BQ plus 2. And even this also I can write it as 3 into 1 plus 0. Isn't it? BQ plus 0. R is 0, R is 2, R is 1. A can be taken in the form of 3m plus, BQ, it means 3Q plus R. 3Q plus R, isn't it? So A can be taken as 3Q plus R, 3Q plus R, 3Q plus R. Okay, na? Yes. Now, to solve this problem, according to Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0 but less than B. Let this be equation 1. Okay, now. So now I will be taking B as 3 and A any positive integer. So let A be any positive integer and B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 as we discussed. Why we have to take B is equal to 3? We can show it, isn't it? Now, so substituting B is equal to 3 in equation 1. This is equation 1. What happens if I substitute B is equal to 3 in equation and then later after getting a we have to go for a cube also, isn't it? So we have to go for a cube. Why? To show that it in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, na? Let us see here. First, if we substitute b is equal to 3 in equation, then you will be getting a is equal to 3q plus r, 3q plus r, where r is equal to either 0 or 1 or 2 but not 3. Now I am going to check for each 3 different cases by taking r is equal to 1 in one case, r is equal to 0 in one case, and r is equal to 2 in another case. Okay, now let me start with r is equal to 0. If r is equal to 0, then a value will be 3q plus r, 3q plus 0, that is 3q. Okay, if a is equal to 3q, what about a cube? A cube is equal to 3q whole cube. This can be written as 27q cube. Okay, but actually we have to show it in the form of either 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So here this can be written as 9 into 3. 9 into 3, 27 cube. Okay, now so 9 into 3q cube. So now I can write this as 9m, where m is equal to 3q cube. I hope you understood this. Okay, now let in case 2, if r is equal to 1, what happens? See, a will be 3q plus r, that is 3q plus 1, isn't it? Now if I cube 3q plus 1, then it will be like this. Now cubing in the sense a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, now 3ab into a plus b. Now here a cube means 27q cube. B cube means 1 cube is 1. 3a square b. 3a square b means 3 into a square. A square is how much? 9q square. Okay, now a square is 9q square. 3a square means 27q square into b, means actually what is the formula for a plus b whole square? Sorry, a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a. Now already we have written a cube plus b cube. Now we have to go for 3a square b. The 3a square b. A square value is 9q square. A square value is 9q square. So 9q square into, here b is 1. So 9q square into 1, 9q square. 9q square into 3, 27q square. Okay, 27q square plus. Now 3b square a. What is b square? B square is 1. So 1 into 3, 3. 3 into a. What is a? 3q. So 3 into 3q is nothing but 9q. 9q. Okay. So how to write this then here? In these 3 terms, 9 will be the factor, isn't it? Common factor. So I will be taking 9 out. So 9 3s are 27q cube plus, here also I will be writing same 3q square plus 1. Okay, 9 into 3, 27q cube. 9 into 3, 27q square. 9 into 1, 9q. 9 means here I will be writing as q. 9 into q, 9q plus this one I am writing here. So this can be written as 9m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. 3q square plus q. Okay, yes. Now what if r is equal to 2? Case 3, r is equal to 2. If r is equal to 2, then a value will be 3q plus r, that is 3q plus 2. What a cube then? 3q plus 2 whole cube. Okay, now we have to imply same formula here. Now a cube is 27q cube plus b cube means 2 cube. 2 cube is 8 plus 3a square b means 3 into a square. A square is 9q square into b. B value is 2. Now I can write something like 3 9s are 27. 27 2s 54. 54q square plus now 3a 3b square a. So 3 into b square. What is b square? B square is here b value is 2, b square is 4 into a. A value is 3q. Now what is the answer for this? See, 3 fourths are 12, 12 threes are 36. So 36q. 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 Now see here, in this 3 terms, 9 is a common factor. Okay now if I take 9 out, 3q cube plus, see 9 3s are 27, q cube. Okay, 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. So 9 6 are 54 q square plus 9 4s are 36 plus this 8 I am writing out. So this can be written as 9m plus 8 where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Okay now, so whatever may be m value. Why? Because m is any positive integer. Okay now, so m they have not given. Of course m will be any positive integer, whatever may be m value. Here 3q cube, here 3q cube plus 3q square plus q, here 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q, whatever may be the value of m. But a cube can be written in the form of 9m. See here also 9m here, 9m plus 1 here, and 9m plus 8. So according to the problem, we have shown that a cube, that is any positive integer cube or cube of any positive integer, can be written in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay. So this is what the procedure to solve the problem. Okay. I hope you all understood the content what I have discussed in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.